everyone, I'm Miss Phonics and today we're going to be learning a new sound. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the sound. Now the sound is a digraph because it's made up of two letters. The letters G and N together make the sound. Now you might be thinking, I've heard of the sound before. And that's because the letter N makes a sound, two letter N's make a sound, and K and N together make a sound. But today we're going to be learning this sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Excellent. Now let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the sound. I know what this is. It's a gnome. Can you hear the sound at the beginning of gnome? Gnome. Gnome. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Oh, I found a picture of a gnat. Now a gnat is a tiny flying insect. Can you hear the sound at the beginning of gnat? Gnat. Gnat. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Oh, I found a sign. Can you hear the sound at the end of sign? Sign. Sign. Excellent. So sign, gnome and gnat all use the sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the sound. To write the sound, we need to write the letters G and N. For our G, we start at the top, we go all the way round, down and flick. And for our N, we start at the top, we go down, back up, over and down. Now I want you joining in, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Give them a wiggle and a wriggle. Give your shoulders a big roll. You can use one hand as a magic piece of paper to write on and your other hand for your magic finger. Are we ready? Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way round, down and flick. Start at the top, down, back up, over and down. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way round, down and flick. Start at the top, all the way down, back up, over and down. Amazing. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the sound. Our first word today is gnat. My turn first. Gnat. Your turn. Gnat. My turn again. Gnat. Your turn. Gnat. Our next word today is gnome. My turn first. Gnome. Your turn. Gnome. My turn again. Gnome. Your turn. Gnome. Well done. And our last word today is gnash. My turn first. N-a-sh. Gnash. Your turn. Nash. My turn again. N-A-sh. Nash. Your turn. Nash. Well done. You've worked so hard today and should be feeling very proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!